Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lynn, for those of you new. I am going to be doing a cleaning video today, as you all have guessed by the title. But I'm especially going to be focusing on cleaning my leather sofa. I received a product from Article, the furniture company. We have 2 sofas from them and we love it. But I wanted to especially show you guys how I clean the couch and how you can clean leather, that kind of thing. And then I also needed to clean my house. It needed it very badly. We had family coming around and a gender reveal party and different things like that, and I hadn't cleaned it in a while. And something that can kind of just get pushed like out of my schedule, if that makes sense. Like, it feels like I always have something else I could do, or I'm tired or whatnot. So I decided today's the day. I need to focus on it and try and get a bunch of stuff done. Do you guys like to start in your kitchen when you clean? For some reason, I feel like I always start in the kitchen because, I don't know, it feels kind of backwards for me to go start cleaning somewhere else. And then once the kitchen's clean, I can move on to other things. But yeah, this is kind of what I did today. I had a bunch of bigger items that I needed to do. So I'm not using any special products. This bottle here was one I'd gotten at Target, and I put in the Caldrea, I think it was their, what scent is it? I forget what the scent is, but I got it off Grove Collaborative. I have a link down below if you're interested in Grove. I'm gonna try and put the new link in. They just recently switched over to a new system, so I'm still trying to work on that. So I'll try to make sure I have a link in there, and I apologize if I don't. But yeah, they have lots of natural cleaning products and stuff that I have used a lot in the past. Also, if you're wondering about my under cabinet lighting, I never did mention it, but a company had sent it to me, and I'll try to link them. It's like a company on Amazon. You can change like the different lighting colors and the dimness, the brightness and stuff. So if I think about it, I'm going to try and link that down below just in case you're looking for something. As you all know, I have this leather sofa here from Article that I love, and it is genuine leather, of course, so it does take some care. Now, I have been a little bit lax in cleaning it. I have used just, you know, a random leather conditioning thing that I got off of Amazon. I used it a couple times since I've had it, and it's done okay, but I definitely am excited to try out a new product that Article sent me. It's called, here, let me show you, Otter Wax. This is what the box looks like. It's an all-natural conditioning leather care kit, and you could use it on any types of leather. Like, they show cleaning boots, actually. This is what they recommend using on the sofa. So I tried it actually on this side piece, and I feel like I can actually see the difference just between this and like this part of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Granted, this gets more wear and tear than that does, but I feel like there's like an extra shine to it, and it's like more glossy looking, kind of a richer brown. So today I need to tackle the rest of the couch. I don't think I'm gonna show you like everything, but I'm glad they sent it to me, and I just wanted to make you guys aware of it in case you're wanting to know how to clean the leather couch or a chair or something like that. It's not hard, it's just there's multiple steps involved. So the first thing I have to do is clean it. So I'll just like wipe it down with a cloth and let it dry. It doesn't take long. I'm gonna tell you guys the steps as I go, so that'll help it be a little bit more clear. So the first step it shows how to clean leather is the saddle soap they send along, and they actually show like a brush, but I'm not gonna use a brush. I would feel a little scared to do it on my couch. But I'm just gonna use, with the other thing, I just use like a rag, and I think that works okay. I just feel like a brush would be really harsh on my couch. So, but they kind of show you how you can do it and everything, so they send this along. So this is what it looks like before. It's just a little bit dull looking, and so it's definitely time to give it a clean. I actually ended up using a sponge, and that seemed to work okay. You kind of, it's the thing they give you is a little bit more of like a soapy thing when you're done with it. Like you put your rag and stuff in it and it'll kind of suds up a little bit, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna let this stuff dry a little bit. I think if you do like shoes and you're deeply saturating it, it's supposed to do it like overnight, but I didn't like completely saturate everything. It's probably almost dry already. But I'm gonna let it dry while I do some of my other cleaning, and then I will come back and show you the rest of the steps. So I'm curious, do you guys like cleaning bathrooms? Like, what is your favorite thing to clean? I don't know, I feel like this is not one of my favorite areas. I think if I would pick a favorite task as far as cleaning, it would probably be vacuuming. I don't know. It's okay, bathrooms are okay. I do clean it somewhat frequently. Like I might do the countertops several times during the week, or once or twice, just kind of wipe them down, because you know how it gets throughout the week. And today actually, I don't even think I cleaned the bathtub. I'm trying to remember. This was a couple days ago. But I was kind of in a hurry, and I knew I had to do the other bathroom as well. And so sometimes you just let some things go, you know what I'm saying? Plus, sometimes I'll actually clean it while I'm in the shower. I don't know if you guys do that or not, but it saves me a little bit from bending over as much. This tub is pretty deep, and so that helps. Plus, you know, it's kind of easier to do it if you're in the tub. So sometimes I'll do that. Guys, do you ever get discouraged while you're cleaning? Like, and you just feel like, you know, what's even the point of cleaning? Because I feel like I clean something and I turn around and another part of my house is just wrecked again. Like, it doesn't feel like I can ever clean everything at once. It's a little bit how I'm feeling today. I'm feeling a little bit unmotivated, so I'm just gonna keep it real with you guys. I don't get everything done like I'd like to, so I'm trying to keep plugging on. I'm trying to get the boys to help, but they're not always the most willing, and then attitudes aren't always good, and then I'd rather just do it myself, you know what I'm saying? But I also don't want to raise them to not understand how to work and be responsible and everything. So okay, so I'm getting ready to do the next step, which is the leather salve, and this is just, you like wipe it on in like a circular motion, and then after that is dry, then you go over with like your wax or your oil or something. So I'll keep you guys posted here. So once you put that stuff on and leave it set for like 30 minutes, then you can buff it out. It just helps lock in like moisture and everything. Now I would suggest you use a different cloth than what I had. I just had like a regular terry one, and they sent this buffing cloth along, which I'm gonna use now, but I had problems getting it on evenly. But I would definitely say get like some type of smooth cloth to do it. This one I needed to still work on, but basically I'm just gonna go and kind of like buff it a little bit. I'm trying to do this one-handedly, but in any case, then I'm ready for the oil. And then finally, the last step, or at least my last step, they have an extra thing that you can use to do waterproofing, but I think that would be more like for boots or even purses or something. You can use this stuff on anything leather pretty well. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on this cloth and then kind of let it absorb and then buff it with a rag. So here goes. I've got everything oiled now, and I'm gonna let it sit a little bit, and then I'm gonna go do the rest of my vacuuming and stuff like that, just to kind of let it dry a little bit more. I'm still unsure if all of my stuff is gonna kind of evaporate, but I have a feeling it will because it's leather. So this is the other sofa from Article that I have, and we just love it. This whole room we've still been using so much, and we're still loving it, especially with all the company and stuff we're having. It's been really nice just to have this cozy section and just hangout place for our family. We really love it. So if you haven't watched the video of this room makeover, definitely go watch it. I'll try and have it linked down below for you guys. This dining room is definitely still not finished at all. We need to get rid of those awful looking blinds there. They don't even work properly, and I really need to hang some curtains and get another area rug. That would help out a lot, I think. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Let me know if you guys have rugs underneath your table. Does it work okay? I think I'm gonna have to look for something that is easily cleanable and like I can clean it really easily. So yeah, I definitely still want to do something. I just feel like it would warm up the space, and I need a new, I want a new chandelier at some point too, because this one doesn't necessarily fit into our style, but yeah, little by little, you guys. Also, isn't that gross how much stuff you can collect in your couch? I know this isn't as bad as it has been already, but it's amazing what you can find sometimes. I've been using the Cedar mop bucket and mop for the last couple months, and I love it, you guys. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I will have it linked down below for you guys if you're looking for something. I think it looks a lot better. It looks so much richer than it did before. I'm afraid I didn't have a good before picture, but it was kind of like looking a little rough here, and now it just has like a nice sheen to it and everything. I still need to perfect my skills or find a good rag for it to clean it, but definitely go check out my description box for the link for Otter Wax. And thank you to Article for sending it to us. We just love Article's furniture. As you all know, we have a sectional out in our other room and this one, and we're just grateful to be working with Article. And yeah, so I'll leave Article's link down below. They have a lot of mid-century modern style furniture. Oh, it's now a little after 2 in the afternoon and I'm pooped, literally. I didn't get everything done that I wanted, but I'm gonna go lay down for a little bit and call it a day. I honestly don't often clean like most of my house in one day. It's just, it's too much. Like it starts getting really long and dragged out, and it seems like I just go in circles some of the time, like I was saying, with kids around and stuff. So sometimes I like to break it up, but today it really needed to be done before my sister and my mom, dad, and brother and stuff come. They're not gonna be staying here necessarily, all of them. Erica's staying here for a couple nights, so we're excited about that, but it just needed to be done. So sometimes I just gotta push through it, right? But anyway, I hope you all found the video motivating, and if you are new, I'd love if you would hit the subscribe button. I do a lot of videos pertaining to lifestyle, home, and family. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.